Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, just as the title suggests, I'll be revamping one of my old wigs to these. So if you want to see the transformation, keep on watching. Oh no, I look so basic right now. So this hair is going kung 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 kung, but she needs not to worry because she's in the right hands. I think I've had this hair for like 2 years now. So what exactly I'm doing, I'm just positioning the unit right in my head, of course around my hairline. So next I'm taking my Got2b free spray and spraying it around my edges. Got2b glue has to be sticky enough for the wig to stick, so I'm just using a fan to dry the glue. You can as well use a blow dry, choice is yours. So I realized it was not tacky enough, so I added another layer of glue along the perimeter of my head, and just repeat the same process. Place the wig on your forehead first, and then to the left side, then to the right, then press it down using your fingers or a comb or just anything. This is in order for the lace to look seamless and flat. So I'm using my pintail comb and combing my upper hair section just to give it some good shape. I'm going in with my Got2b Ultra Glued Styling Gel to lay down my baby hairs and then tie a bandana around the perimeter of my head. This is to slick down them baby hairs for like 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm using my Lotus Serum. This acts as a smoother, a polisher, and it also gives my hair an extra shine. And then I'll brush it down. I know it makes life easier, especially when you're just about to tong or to flat iron. I'm using my 3-in-1 curling tong, and I always set it at the highest temperature. This is to give me some sleek, nice bouncing curls, and this is how I tong my hair. So I clip a section of my hair up and I'm left with a portion of what I'm curling. Then I place my tong from the roots of the hair, rolling it over, heading towards the tip of the tong. And then I hold it for like 15 seconds. Then release the tong, and I'll repeat the same process with the rest of my hair. Fine babe, flex your hair. So all the products I've actually used, I'll leave them in the description box below. So sis, don't tense, I got you. And guys, I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.